Everybody, Uncle Speed Shop here with another episode of Building Cars and Custom Tools. So today we're talking about this little contraption right here. And what this is, it's a set of welding tip cleaners. So it's basically little tiny files. If you look, you can see how it's got the little coarse areas in it. And it's got a little file on it too. So it's basically for cleaning out the tips on your welding torches. Like on, if I can see it here, on there. And another thing it works good for is for your welding tips. And also, they come in handy when you're cleaning carburetors. So if you need to get in there and clean out a little jet or something, it works pretty good for that too. So that's my quick tool for the day, just some welding tip cleaners. So thanks for watching.